Hello everybody. In this presentation, we are trying to understand why Darwin is the best choice for Canara Bank to do Aadhaar work in the eastern zone of India. We are a local empaneled agency of UIDI with code 1571. We are the only one from eastern India. We have more than 420 live Aadhaar Seva Kendras running across different states of East India. We have minimum penalties and errors amongst all the agencies. And our registrars have always been very happy with us because we have generated huge profits and surpluses for them. We have never been show-caused for grave offences and illegal activities by UIDI. We have complete transparency in our operations. Everything is detailed in our website from recruitment to payouts. We have huge experience of working with multiple public sector banks and registrars. We only bid for Eastern Zone where we are physically present. We don't bid for areas where we are not present and where we are not strong. We have an indigenous AEC work app particularly made for Aadhaar work operations. Now, through this app, we can control and monitor the work and activities of our Aadhaar operators. We have more fully described this app in our subsequent slides. Because of the complete transparency and the excellent control and monitoring mechanism that we practice, we have been awarded the ISO 27001:2013 certificate, which is for Information Security Management System. Now, this certificate is particularly relevant more fully for banks where the data protection is paramount. In this slide, we are understanding how the Aadhaar operation setup process is going to take place. UIDI already appointed Canara Bank as the registrar cum enrollment agency for the Aadhaar work. Canara Bank in turn appoints Darwin Society as the vendor for Eastern Zone. Darwin starts operations to its various branches located across different states in Eastern Zone. Darwin will carry through its branch offices and regional offices local recruitment ads both in online as well as offline media. Screening of applications will take place as per set RFP criteria. Shortlisting of candidates will take place. Candidates will be asked for verification from the branch with local referees. Local police verification will take place, and after this is completed, operators will be asked to fill up the EA consent form and association form. Once the EA consent form and association form is submitted, it is being sent to UIDI by Canara Bank head office for L1 registration. Once the L1 registration is completed, the machine registration of the operators takes place. The same is again sent to UIDI for L2 registration. Once that is being done, the machine onboarding takes place to Darwin's branch office at the respective Aadhaar Seva Kendra. Once the onboarding process is completed, Darwin informs Canara Bank head office about the work completion, deployment completion. Canara Bank in turn sends a mail to zonal office or branch office for operator deployment. Once this mail is being sent to the branch, the operator completes the agreement process with Darwin Society. The sample operator agreements are already available in Darwin's website. Operator will then visit the branch with his necessary KYC documents and the complete Aadhaar equipment kit. Operator will put up the Aadhaar enrollment notice for general public along with rate chart, banners and other materials for common public knowledge. Operator would maintain appointment register and work register and also the daily attendance register. And after this, the operator would start his work. On daily basis, the operator will report his work on AEC Work app, which is available from Google Play Store. Darwin branch offices regularly monitors the work of the operators within their territory. Every day, the operator is supposed to submit end-of-day report to branch manager, which the branch manager signs, and then the operator sends the signed copy to Darwin branch office along with the attendance register. Darwin branch office submits this end-of-the-month report to Darwin corporate office, and the corporate office submits the same to Canara Bank head office. Feedback from Canara Bank head office would be taken, and corrective measures wherever necessary would be taken. Darwin collaborates with Canara Bank head office to maximize Aadhaar Seva Kendra income both for self and for the bank as well. This is the Aadhaar AEC work app. This app has been indigenously developed by Darwin for its Aadhaar operators working across different states of India. So when an operator logs in, he or she needs to give access to his location. So only when he gives access to the location, then he can open the AEC work app. Now the advantage of this is when he opens the location, we at the back end get to know where he or she is presently. That means if the operator is working in the bank, we come to know, yes, he's working in the bank. But if the operator is away from the bank, from this location that they share, we come to know that the operator is up to something. So this is the opening page of the app. On top left corner, you can see the name of the operator along with the operator details, the operator ID number, the phone number. So the operator can log into this app only with his operator ID. So we have mapped this app against the operator IDs. Only those operators who log in to the app with their operator ID, they only can open this particular app. So in this app, they have different sections. The first section, as you can see, is general news. In general news, we give instructions, general instructions. For example, the format of the AEC notice, the Aadhaar enrollment center notice, the format of the the attendance register, the notice they need to put outside the branch, the banner they need to put up outside the branch. All these things they get in the general news section. Work notification is the section where our technical team will give specific instructions to the operators regarding technical matters. Now, let's say the UIDI has launched updated version of the Aadhaar client, so they can get all those from the work notifications. Next section is the today's report. In this section, they will give their work report. So how many enrollments they have done, how many updates they have done. As you can see, the last portion, it is written as register upload. That means they need to click photograph of the register where citizens write their names and put their signatures. So they will click the photograph and upload it here. So from backend, we get to see the register, and we also can tally it with the work report that the operator is submitting and the work report that we get to see in the UIDI's enrollment panel. You have this section called the past report. The operator can see his or her performance over the last 1 month, 2 months. My notification section is if there is any specific information or urgent message that we need to give to the operators, so they'll get it in the my notification section. And the feedback section is the section where operator can raise their queries. If they have certain doubts or queries or some problems they're facing, they can write in the feedback section. They can upload an image or even record a short video of their problem that they're facing and upload it here. At the back end, we get to know the problem that the operator is facing, and our technical team will get in touch with the operator and solve his or her problem. So this work app can be accessed not only by our technical team, but even by the bank officials. So they can at any point of time refer to the documents that are uploaded here, and from backend they also can keep monitoring and reviewing the documents from time to time. This is an in-house app which has been developed only by Darwin. No other agency is using such kind of technology to keep track of their operators. This will be helpful for any bank that we are working for, whether it's bank or district administration or any other registrar for which we are working. Thank you.